Hi, in this today's video, I'll show you how to disable any key on your keyboard. First, let's open Google Chrome. Now search here PowerToys. Click on this. Now install PowerToys. Again, install PowerToys. It will come to GitHub. You can see here. If your Windows 64-bit, then install it. Simply click here and it will be start downloading. I already downloaded it, so I will simply install it. When it will be installed, then simply type here PowerToys. Now click here and keyboard manager. You can simply add here. First you need to enable this and then add here. Let's say we will disable F. Okay. We will select here disable. That's it. If we type F, it will not work. F is not working now. So that's it. If you want to enable it again, then simply disable it. Simply click here, then it will be disabled. Thanks for watching.